How do you know when your Apple Watch is fully charged? So let me talk about it. If it's your first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. Well, there are actually many ways how you can track the battery level of the current Apple Watch. So at first, I like to have this like widget or a complication on my watch face where I can see the current battery charge. So I can see if it's already at 100 or not, right? Or you can as well just go to the control center and check out the battery charge right there. You can even tap on it and see it in full screen. And also you can go to the settings and find the battery section where at the top you can not only see the current battery charge, but also when it was last charged to the like 100% or what the situation is like, and you can track it right there like visually on a graph or a chart right there. But also, if you don't even want to check it out on the watch, you can set up a battery widget on your paired iPhone where you will see the current charge of the phone and other things like AirPods, but naturally the Apple Watch too. So that is also a very easy and like a convenient method to keep track of the battery level. And if you are like, if you leave your watch charging on the charger, you can just grab the iPhone, have it with you, and see if it's actually already charged to 100%, right? So that's definitely something which you can see on the iPhone as well. So I hope it makes sense. I really hope that I was able to assist you and help you out with this thing, with this question. Let me know what you think below, and I will hopefully see you in the next videos as well.